Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the enhancer function to fix blurry pictures and colorize all the pictures on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the plus create button, select a picture and slide to the right side of the screen until you find the enhancer button. Here, if you tap on the enhancer, you are going to see that it is being enhanced. But
how to invest with as little as €1.
This,
with Trading 212, you can buy fractional shares with zero commission.
Function.
Now,
since it is only available to premium users of the application, so in a few seconds you will be able to use this function. Tap on the X button at the top of the screen and you will be able to apply this enhancer effect. It is being processed, so here you can see the result. All you have to do is just simply sliding to the right or left side of the picture. You can see that the original one is on the left side and the after is on the right side. You can also colorize your picture. It takes the same process, so the ad will display
how to invest with as little as €1.
And then you will be able to unlock this feature that you can apply to your photos. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.